Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with solicitation of prostitution. Let's see here. Asking someone how much is the cost for sexual services is a crime? I was arrested simply because I stopped to ask a woman, and it turned out to be an undercover police. Okay, so here's the deal. Solicitation of prostitution is a crime under Penal Code Section 647B. It carries up to 6 months in county jail. Now, it's not the actual sex that it's illegal, it's the solicitation. In other words, if you're asking, hey, how much would you charge for this? How much would you charge for that? If it looks like you specifically have the intent to give her the money in exchange for sexual services. Now, here's the deal. If you were to approach an undercover police officer who's a prostitute, and if you were to say something along the lines of this, hey, listen, I'm not interested in services, but just out of curiosity, how much do you guys charge for this? Or how much do you charge for something like this? If you come at it like that, it's going to be very difficult for the DA to show beyond a reasonable doubt that you have the specific intent to actually engage in such services and that you were simply just asking. But if you go up and say, hey, how much do you charge for this? There's potential for some intent there. Remember, it's the intent that matters. And, generally speaking, I'm not going to recommend for you to do this. Don't be asking prostitutes how much they charge. Just don't do it. But if it really tickles your fancy, if you really want to do this, you gotta come at it that way. Look, I'm not interested in soliciting your services. I just want to know, what is it that you guys charge for this kind of thing? But I don't want the service. If you make it very, very clear that you don't want to engage in services, if you just ask, I'm doing research, I don't want the services, but how much do you charge for something like this? Just out of curiosity. You might be able to get away with it like that. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of a theft of a car with a weapon. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorney.